up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Trees. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So in order for me to do an unboxing, y'all need the backstory. So it is this cannabis sativa seed oil calming body lotion. Okay, this is the one that this is actually my mom's. Okay, backstory. So a coworker bought this for my mom for Christmas. They were doing like, I think they were doing like Secret Santa, and they were like gifting each other, like they were gifting each other gifts and everything like that. And my mom got this from one of her Secret Santas, and I smelled it on her, and I was like, what you got on? And she showed me. She was like, it's this. And I was like, I think I like that. I think I'm gonna get it for myself. So yeah, I've been using this. I have to yeah, I've been using this one, so I have to get this back to my mom. But it smells so good, so I'm going to, as y'all can see, okay, me and my mama, we've been sharing it, you know, we've been sharing it. Okay, is it okay? But yeah, so that is what I'm about to unbox today. It came. Now the shipping was horrible. I bought this, like, she got this one for Christmas. Like, she got this before Christmas. And I bought mine like a couple days, like 26, 27. I probably bought mine December 28th, and it's just now getting here. So the shipping was ridiculous. But that's okay. Y'all, when I tell y'all the shipping was ridiculous, I waited a long time for this. So they had a sale. It was like two for $7, I believe. Yeah, two for $7. And I got it. So this is the receipt, I'm guessing. Okay, so what's in here? Oh, $20 off a $50 purchase. I will definitely be using that. I got a little spring rewards card. I'm going to save that for later because, yes ma'am. Now it's funny because I never like shopped at Victoria's Secret, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't wear panties and I don't wear bras, and when I do, I get that stuff from Target, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Ooh, okay, so this is the body mist. Ooh, and this must be the lotion, I'm sure. Hold on, y'all. Okay. I had to tussle with it a little bit. And this is now mine. So I'm going to give this one back to my mom. I mean, she's welcome to use it whenever she wants to, because, you know, she's going to be like, I know she's going to be like, you use mine up so I can use yours. Yes, Mom, if you're watching this, you are very welcome to use. She be using my stuff anyway. Like, I use her stuff, she uses my stuff, so she'll be okay. She can use, she know what's mine is hers and what's hers is mine. She know that. And she's a mom. Like, don't y'all take y'all mama stuff. Like, come on now. I've been taking her stuff since I was, what, 12, 13. Okay. But yeah, so this is mine. Oh my gosh, y'all, this smells so good and it's so nice and calming on the skin. I've been using it, and I used it today after my shower. I feel so nice and so calm. Like, I haven't been stressed. I really think this stuff works. And this is the I like this so much. I got the body mist as well, and I already have this on today, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray it. Yes ma'am, yes ma'am. Oh, this smells so good. Oh, I love it. 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 Now, this is my first Victoria's Secret lotion and spray. Like, when I tell y'all, I don't go in Victoria's Secret. I don't go in even to get this, I didn't go in there. I went online and shop. So I have to start going in Victoria's Secret now. They have like good lotions and good sprays. Why didn't y'all tell me? Cause okay, the thing is, I didn't think of Victoria's Secret as a lotion body spray type of store. You know what I'm saying? They're known for underwear and lingerie and stuff like that. So I was like, oh, that's not really my store. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'ma definitely go in there and see like what they talking about, because I like this. And I want to see if they have like better lotions and sprays, because it's really thick and it lathers. So as y'all can see, it's settling down. It was like this because I had it on the bed, so it was laying like that. But it's really thick in consistency, and I like my lotions to be nice and thick, especially in the winter. Well, period. I like thick lotions, period. I don't really like watery stuff. The only thing that I have that's watery is the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream. But I don't mind that because it just smells so good. So I'm blinded, you know what I'm saying, by the wateriness. And I just mix it with a little bit of Vaseline gel. And it works like a charm, you know what I'm saying? So this is really thick, and it's really nice in consistency. I absolutely love this. Like, it takes some time to, okay. Ooh. Oh my gosh, y'all. I smell so good. I just love smelling good, like especially after my showers and stuff. Like, oh my God. I just got out the shower. I feel all nice and clean, and I just, put on deodorant and my skincare and my body care. Oh, this stuff smells so good. It smells so good. So yeah, let's see. Calming, tranquil, chill. Body gourmand with notes of toasted coconut, pink pepper, and white amber. If y'all care to know. And it says this cream hydrates and calms the skin with cannabis sativa seed oil. Cannabis sativa seed oil is conditioning and non-intoxicating. Hemp seed oil is converted for tranquil and calm feeling on the skin. Yes, ma'am. Now, when I first read it, I was like, cannabis sativa seed oil, okay. And then when I smelled it, I was like, oh, okay. Smells good. So yeah, this is my first Victoria's Secret. And this lasts, okay? This does last. You be smelling this. You're gonna smell this. Like, this is a good scent, and it's going to last you. And this is just me using the lotion. It lasts. So I know now that I have the lotion and the body spray, it's gonna last. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, y'all, that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what kind of Victoria's Secret. First of all, I'm mad that y'all didn't put me on, but let me know what kind of Victoria's Secret lotions y'all use. I want to try the I'm gonna get the whole line. I'm gonna get because they have a body oil, they have a face mask, they have a scrub, So I'm just gonna get the whole line because I'm in love with it. And I'm probably gonna wait to use this rewards card. That's probably what I'm gonna use. Oh shoot. But yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. Let me know. Like I said, I want to try the honey. What is it called? Honey. It's something honey. And I want honey and coconut, honey and I don't know, I forgot. But I want to try that as well. That's going to be, that smells like it's going to be, or it seems like it's going to smell good. Like I love honey products and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm going to when dogs be barking at nothing. Okay, y'all. So I'm finna end this video before I get irritated. Bye, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice as well. And I will see y'all in another video. Peace.